What's up everyone, it's Winstonee coming back to you guys with a brand new video after months of not posting a video. As always, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell to get notified of all my new videos. I wanted to show you guys this hair mask that I learned about, which consists of coconut oil and cinnamon. I've talked about coconut oil in some of my other videos and how much it benefits your hair by stimulating hair growth and just overall moisturizing your hair. I've never talked about cinnamon though and how much that helps your hair, because I honestly never knew that cinnamon had any benefits to hair, but it does help get rid of buildup in your hair. It also helps to unclog your hair follicles, and it also helps to prevent dandruff if you're going through any dandruff issues. Cinnamon is also good for helping to prevent hair loss, so it's another ingredient, surprisingly, that helps with hair growth. So this mask is very simple to make. It's very straightforward. You don't need much. The only things you're going to need is organic virgin coconut oil. Make sure that the coconut oil is organic and that it doesn't have anything other than coconut oil in the jar, any other ingredient. You're also going to need ground cinnamon. Other things you're going to need is a bowl to mix the ingredients in, and also a bottle with this type of nozzle to put the mixture in. You don't really need this, but it makes the process of putting it in your hair a lot easier. You're not going to need a dropper. I thought I was going to use it to transfer the mixture from the bowl to the bottle, but it actually slows the process down, and there's a lot faster ways of doing that, so you're not going to need this. So what you want to do first is take the organic coconut oil and put a decent amount of it in the bowl. I kind of just eyeballed it, but if you need a measurement, about 3 tablespoons is a good measurement. Make sure it is melted though. If you have a bottle of coconut oil that's not melted, the best way I think to melt it is just to take a bowl of water and heat it up either in the microwave or on the stove to almost boiling level. Then put the jar of coconut oil in the hot water and it'll melt that way. Now you're going to put some of the cinnamon into the coconut oil. Again, I just kind of eyeballed it and just poured in what I think was a good amount of cinnamon to put into the coconut oil. But if you need a measurement, then 3 tablespoons is also a good amount that you can put into the oil. Then you're going to want to mix the cinnamon in a little with the coconut oil. And once you initially mix the cinnamon in, then you're going to want to put the mixture into the microwave for about 10 to 20 seconds so that the cinnamon can melt, just to blend in with the coconut oil a little better. Make sure not to leave it in for more than 10 to 20 seconds. You don't want the oil to be hot because it will burn your scalp. You just want it just warm enough to blend better and to get a more even mixture. Once the ingredients are nice and blended together, it's time to transfer the mixture over to the applicator bottle. Now, once again, this is an optional step, but it just makes the process a lot easier when you can apply it with a bottle like this versus trying to apply it while it's still in the bowl. I was going to use the dropper to transfer the mixture from the bowl to the bottle, but using the dropper was taking forever, and yeah, I didn't want to wait all day to get that into the bottle, so I went ahead and just try to pour it in manually to the bottle. And as you can see, I made a mess. I didn't have a funnel or anything I could have used to make the process less messy, so you know, it is what it is. We move on. I definitely recommend transferring it to at least a different container to make the application process easier for you and your hair. Once you've transferred the mixture to a bottle, then you're now ready to apply it to your hair. I've already combed my hair out and sectioned it into 4 sections. So what you want to actually do is apply it to your scalp and then massage it into your scalp for a few minutes. Now, once you've applied it to all of your scalp and massaged it in, you can apply the extra mixture to the rest of your hair and to your ends if you have long hair. And just a side note, before applying this mask, you want to make sure that you don't have any negative reactions to this mask and that it don't irritate your scalp. So you want to test it on a small section of your hair first before applying it to your whole head. Then you're going to let the mask sit in your hair. I'm going to put a shower cap over my hair just so that it won't drip everywhere. and then I'll let the mask sit in my hair for about 15 minutes and then rinse it out. So this is my hair after I've rinsed out the hair mask. Now, usually when I put a hair mask in my hair takes forever to dry. I usually air dry my hair, and on a normal basis, my hair would take like an hour, but with the hair mask, this took at least an hour and a half to 2 hours to dry. For those of you who want to know the correct way to apply a hair mask to your hair, what you do is, well, I've shampooed my hair first, then I applied the hair mask, and then I rinsed it out and used conditioner. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button and click the notification bell to get notified of every new video I post. And if you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave it in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.